In primetime news tonight, Jamaicans support call for businesses in road construction zones to be compensated by the state. Details in the RGR Gleaner Group Don Anderson polls. New claims of misuse of funds.
We are aware that politically connected persons have been employed as advisors, but are not doing any work.
And JLP candidate in East Portland by-election, a no-show at Political Code of Conduct signing ceremony.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, and Herman Green has our preview.
Thanks, Janella. Well, the parent company of Cable and Wireless Jamaica has moved to take control of all outstanding shares, but the Supreme Court has intervened. We'll tell you why in the business day.
All right, from Herman, we go to Jordan Fort at the sports desk with what's happening in sports today.
Yes, Archie, Cricket West Indies is this evening on the defensive over comments made in its case against former Windies coach Phil Simmons. I'll tell you more in Primetime Sports Monday.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening, we're asking, what are your views on who is responsible for the challenges in the capital as a result of the road works?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.
News headlines brought to you by